Hello guys, I'm Fatty and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes. So today is a holiday year in Germany. That means no school, but we had a lot of things to do for school. But I was too stressed, so I decided to take a break and make a video. Yeah! And I decided to make a video nga and do a what's inside my bag. Kahit walang nagtatanong what's inside your bag. Pag what's inside my bag tayo, wala kayong magagawa. Video ko to. Ha! For those who are new to my vlog, I'm currently doing an Ausbildung here in Germany. And yeah, it's been a month already. So, wala lang. Na-share ko lang. Bakit ba? Charis. Ito na nga ang ating bag na ginagamit ko sa school. Pero actually, nagpapalit-palit ako kasi depende yan kung madami. Kasi pag minsan, maliit lang yung lunchbox na dala ko. Pag minsan, di kinakaya ng powers ko, nagbabaon ako ng malaking lunchbox na may dalang sandwich. And then, may mga fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables! Oo, guys. May mga paprika, ganyan. Banana, kaki, fruit salad. Hindi, kasi habang nagle-lesson, di ba, may kinakain ka. Ayoko naman yung puro chips, ganyan. Very unhealthy. But inuulit ko palagi yung mga sinasabi ko. So, let's start na nga dito sa vlog na to. Tala. So, umupo na ako, guys, kasi sino ba naman ang nag-haul na nakatayo, di ba? Parang sure. So, umpisahan natin. Tan-tan-tan-tan. Tan-tan. Ta-na-na-na-na-na. So, eto na nga, aray. Ang hyper ko ngayon. So, eto, galing pa to ng Pinas. Parang nakuha ko to sa parang exchange gift namin. So, ginagamit ko pa din siya hanggang ngayon. Pero akala ko, for the past few months, sira na siya. Yun pala, yung sira, yung charger. Pero I love it. Ginagamit ko lang siya ngayong malamig na kasi nung summer pa, nag-ano lang ako, earphones. Pero dahil malamig na, it's also like protection from the cold weather. Cold weather. Okay. So yeah. So what's next is my wallet. No, nandito lahat ng mga mahalagang bagay natin na magpapatunay na hindi tayo illegal dito. Charis! So, etong wallet na to, galing pa to sa Pinas din, sa TikTok shop. Ba't wala ng TikTok shop ngayon dito? Yan. What's next? Dun, dun, dun. This is my makeup bag makeup bag. So, I only have here eyeshadow palette. Ba't na eyeshadow palette ako? Found, how do you say this? Basta, ano nga kasing tawag dito? Pressed powder. Paubos na siya, na? And then, dalawang klase ng lipstick. Ito yung gamit ko ngayon. Tapos pag minsan, pag medyo, dark shade ako. Pero hindi siya ganun ka-dark. Ito is Vice Cosmetics. No? Ito is, baby, it's it's not Maybelline. Everpilena. So, dala ko pa to. Expired na nga ata. Expired. Baka expired na nga yan. Tapos, recently lang nagpalit ako ng blush on. Ito yung gamit ko is Essence. Yung dati kong ginagamit galing din sa TikTok shop. Naubos ko na siya. And then, ito yung pinakamalaga sa akin. Nadumihan na siya. Tanan! It's my floss. Kapag Sunsider, yung tawag dito sa Germany. Kapag hindi ako nakakapag-toothbrush, ito palagi kong ginagamit. Like, pagkakain lang ako ng sandwich sa school, ganyan. Kasi may mga, ano dito. Tingnan. So, that's my makeup bag. Next one is that here. It's like, I add in my water. In my drinking water. Yeah, it's like Nahrungsergänzungsmittel. That's like vitamins na ina-add mo lang siya sa iyong water. This is very cheap, no? Pag wala na akong ganito, sinasubstitute ko is lemon. Pag wala naman na akong lemon, ito yung gamit ko. So yeah, this is from DM. It's very cheap. Like 50 cents, I guess, or so. And then, I have my glasses here. They are from EO. So, I brought them with me from the Philippines. Kung nakita niyo yung mga vlog ko, yan yung palagi kong suot. Pero, I think I need to have my eyes checked na kasi this one is already malabo. Pag minsan, nangyari na sa akin yung wala akong suot na eyeglasses. And then, sumakay ako ng S-Bahn. I thought it was number 7, but it was number 1. So, sobrang labo na ng mata ko. Anyway, what else do we have here? I have my TikTok. Pag minsan, di na ako nakapag-breakfast. Cheers! Hindi. Siyempre, pag minsan naboboard sa class, ganyan. Hindi ganyan. So, yeah. Wala lang. Para hindi lang babaw yung hininga mo, diba? Lalo na, hindi ka nakakapag-toothbrush sa school, ganyan. Tapos, kakain ka lang kung ano-ano. Must have. Must have! Next one is Tasif. Tasif. Highlighter. Nung first few weeks kasi palaging merong palagi silang nagbibigay ng mga handouts, ganyan. So, every discussion, nagkaganyan-ganyan ako. So, wala lang. Charis, hindi, para matandaan natin, ha? Katulong naman to. Pang-motivate. Pang-motivate? Alam niyo, nakainis na ako kasi puro inuulit ko yung mga salita ko. Hindi ko alam. Minsan wala na ba akong kausap kaya inuulit ko yung mga salita ko. Or, normal lang ba to? Paki-comment nga, guys. And then, meron ako dito isang ball pen lang, no? Tsaka isang pencil. Kasi, di ko naman kailangan ng marami. Kasi, ginagamit ko lang actually yung ball pen kapag nagsasign ng attendance. Pencil, never ko pa siyang nagamit. So, it's okay. And then, we have this. Tanan! Tanan! It's my newly purchased tablet. The tablet siya, guys. Samsung. It's a must-have. Must-have. Hindi naman Samsung na must-have. I mean, kailangan ng ganito. Hindi naman kailangan, pero I prefer na merong ganito. Ngayon, nag-Ausbildung na ako kasi sobrang dami ng ng assignment. And then, every time na may discussion, nakakasulat na ako dito. So, hindi ko kailangan ng magdala ng notebook or So, meron siya dito notes. Wait lang. Ito. Notes. So, diba, may mga ganyan siya. Ayan. Notebook. Ayan. Basta hindi nyo nakikita. Pero nagsusulat ako dyan. Tapos, very, very, siya. Tawag dito. Basta, very efficient siya. And then, when I also have to search something during the class, I use this one. I don't use my phone often na because I have this and I'm very happy. I'm very happy and satisfied. And what else? This notes that they gave us, no? Actually, binawasan ko na siya. Yung mga hindi pa lang namin talaga natatapos, yun na lang yung dala ko. Pero, yeah. Yan yung sinasabi ko, nag-highlight ako during class. Next one, here, my earphones. So, dinadala ko siya palagi in case na malubat yung aking headset, no? Kasi, guys, I can't live without music. On the music is langweilig. On the music is langweilig, ja, wirklich. Kapag nag-travel na ako to school or way back home. Is that a thing? Way back home. Huh? Alam niyo guys, every time na nag-ano ako ng English at saka Deutsch, wala na talaga. Basta yan, on the music. I can't live without on the music. And then, meron sa bag, meron siyang maliit na ganito. Tapos madami ako dyang anik-anik. Hindi, yung nilalagay ko dito, yung mga kailangan ko palagi na bagay. Like, tissue paper. Tas kain tissue paper. Das ist Handtusche. And then, I also use hand cream. Every time I wash my hands, I use hand cream para hindi nag-dry. And then, I also have here my lip balm. No? This is a must-have lalo na sa weather ngayon. So, it's actually good para maiwasan natin yung quack. Next thing is this here. It's oil blotting paper. During class, I once used this and then I was like this and the teacher thought I was sick and she asked me actually. I said, "Nine, this is only a oil blotting paper, like, you know, to get the oil on my face, to get rid of the oil on my face." And then, what do I have here to behind this ID photos? I don't know, but yeah, just in case, no. Maybe the school would ask, but I actually already sent them my pictures. But yeah. Ayun guys, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa ating what's inside my bag. May kumakalugkog pa. Sana nag-enjoy kayo and wala lang. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on my next vlog. Juicy.